In this video demonstration, we will look at how we can use AI tools to create discussion topics and questions that could be posed to learners. Let's start with an example. I'll ask Google Gemini, can you help me generate discussion topics for a workshop on leadership skills? As you can see, the AI tool has generated a variety of topics and even categorized them for us. These include areas like foundational leadership and core leadership qualities. It's also suggested a few workshop ideas, which can be really helpful for planning. Next, I want to refine the discussion topics to make them suitable for beginners. I ask, can you refine these discussion topics to be more suitable for beginners? This helps me think about different levels of understanding and how to engage participants. The AI then breaks the topics into sections, such as understanding leadership, for example, what makes a good leader, and everyday leadership, focusing on working with others. We can take this a step further by grouping the topics to organize them into our curriculum. I ask the tool, please group these topics by theme, such as leadership qualities, team dynamics, communication, and inclusion. The AI organizes the ideas accordingly, making it easier to plan discussions and activities. In this demonstration, I've used Google Gemini, but many AI tools offer similar functionality. They're a great way to brainstorm, structure ideas, and ensure group discussions are clear and engaging for participants at all levels.